tutorial to show you how to add gorgeous fringing to your Blaise Shawl. If you'd like to find the pattern, just look in the comments section below. Okay, so you'll need your yarn, a template for your fringe, a crochet hook and scissors. I use my gauge tool as a template as I find it makes the perfect size fringe for this project. So I'll show you using this as my template. I hold an end and wrap it around 4 times for these fringes. And then cut off. To attach it, I slide it off the template and use the looped end, the end with the extra dangle bits. Loose ends will be down the bottom. And I go in. On this particular project, I want to go into the bottom of the rows where the colour work is. And I bring my crochet hook under and through to the top of the project and hook the yarn through. So now I've got a loop. Then I bring my hook back around and pull it through that loop. And there's fringe attached. What I'll do next is cut those loops and then trim the ends at the very end so that the fringe is neat. Okay, so I'll show you again. Firstly, I hold the end of the yarn onto the template, wrap it once, twice, 3, 4 times. Now this can vary depending on your yarn and project. Could be twice, could be 3 times. And then give it a little snip. Slide it off the template. Hold the looped end, leave the dangly loose bits for the bottom. Pick up what you're attaching it to, in this case, this shawl, where I'm wanting to attach the fringe in line with the stripes of colour. Push the crochet hook through from underneath and pull the loops through. Then twist those and pull through again. I like bringing it from the underneath because then you get the nice knots on this side. However, you could work it the other way and have the opposite showing. To me, this looks nice and neat. Then when it comes to these loops, I just snip them like this. And then at the very end, I'll give it a light steam and then chop these ends off nice and flat on the table so that they have a clean edge. So just have a few more to do and I'll be finished.